वेलकम टू स्ट्रीट फास्ट। छोड़िए ताहे तीहे रहा है रहिए, इंग्लिश को सीखिए, इंग्लिश टू इंग्लिश, ना कि हिंदी टू इंग्लिश। So this is Kunal Yadav. I am gonna talk about Indian waste ruler. So you know about the India. India is a so great country, and it have a lots of kings, someone who are so great. So I am talking about the few kings, someone who are so great. Like first is the Chandragupta Maurya. Who is Chandragupta Maurya? You know about it's belong to the Maurya dynasty. Maurya dynasty, it's a 320 BCE to 298 BC. It's a Chandragupta Maurya period of ruling. And who is the to BC? What is the BC? You know about the BC? Before the birth of Jesus Christ. It's a Gregorian calendar. It's before the birth of Jesus Christ. It means the Jesus Christ birth before the sun, the Isvi are coming, it's called BC, and after the BC it's called AD. And I am talking about the Chandragupta Maurya. Chandragupta Maurya is a Maurya, belong to the Maurya dynasty. He spread his emperor all over the India and other country also. It's include Pakistan. Currently Pakistan and Afghanistan both include in emperor of Chandragupta Maurya. Second emperor is a Samudragupta. You know about the Samudragupta? Samudragupta is a Gupta dynasty. It belonged to the Gupta dynasty. Samudragupta was the undefeated kings all over the India. There is no one can defeat Samudragupta. Samudragupta won 12 states in the east, 8 states in the west, and 9 states in the north. And he was a great king. You know, he performed Ashwamedha Yagya. You know about the Ashwamedha Yagya? Ashwamedha Yagya has a one horse, someone who are running all over the country, which is won by Samudragupta. And if the king someone are stop the horse, which is stop, it's a clear sign he want to fight with Samudragupta, but no one can stop that horse. And I am talking about the third king. Who is the third king? Third king is a Chandragupta Ditya. You know about Chandragupta Ditya? Vikramaditya. Everyone know he is known as the Vikramaditya, and he was the first king, someone who has ruled 50% of all over the earth. Like he also followed the legacy of his father. He won many different countries, and Chandragupta Ditya has a lots of good minister in his emperor. And I am talking about the fourth king. The fourth king is Shivaji. You know, everyone know about Shivaji. Shivaji was a great king. You know, when the Aurangzeb was ruled all over the India, Shivaji had a small emperor, and he just fight against him. And it's, you know about the Navy, Indian Navy. Who was the founder? Shivaji was the founder of Navy. And Shivaji has a lots of quality to rule all over the India. He won he has a good quality in a war. And Angrez governor said that if Shivaji was born in a Britain, definitely he ruled all over the world. But Shivaji born in India, because born in India, it's a good chance for it's a good things for our India. We are proud of him because he has a lots of quality of kings which have. So that's enough from thanks.